Matt, a technician here at Fontain. This is the second part to our question last week on the Audi Q7 water leaks. Last week my colleague Luke spoke to you about a water pump problem on a Q7. This week I'm here to talk to you about another type of water leak on a Q7. This one has come in to us with this leaking valve here. It's quite a complicated part to get to. The seals on the back here have failed. In order to get to this part, you need to remove this EGR system and the inlet manifold here. This takes a good bit of time. It's nearly 4 hours to replace this particular part. The vehicle has come in noticing water pooling in the top of the V system. We give it here a pressure test, so we put the engine under load, the water system under load, and from there we pressure it up until we can see a leak. This has been quite a complicated one. It's took quite a bit of time, but it seems to be a fairly common problem on these Q7s. So we noticed with this one we were suffering with water loss, and the customer was topping it up with coolant quite regularly. I think probably about 3 pints every couple of days. So yeah, we get this unit here, say check these seals. This unit's not a cheap unit, not an easy one to get to. But we got there, we replaced it, and we're good to go again. Just reassembling as we speak.